Alright boys, we've got the mighty Manticore out here. This is the latest version here. We're in late December. You see that old mercury diamond, that nickel there? So you could have a silver diamond, an old nickel in a sight, but there could be some other modern trash down there besides a nickel. Naturally, the users of the Manticore should watch this video because there is something in it that is very interesting, okay? And actually, it's something the old sharpshooter didn't know. How about that shit? Yeah, I learned with these detectors. All right, we're going to noise cancel this machine. We're going to look at two modes. We're going to look at all-terrain high conductors and surfing seawater. Now, surfing seawater can help you at times in some lower modern, like lower conductive trash, looking for higher conductors. Watch what it does on this, but we're not going to look at it first. Everything you see in this video will be a speed 4. And I've got a discrimination setting of 49. See it there? As soon as I come off of that number 49, we get that X in the box. Now we're in one region, all tones currently, but we will switch this using the all-terrain high conductors. Let me make sure I'm in the right tones here. Yeah, one region, all tones. Let me noise cancel it again. I've got this airplane up here. I live in a bad place, boys. You hear that? You see that screen? No ID. You Manticore users, take note of that. No ID on that screen. But we've got signal, and see that trace there? See that? So you could go into a site running 49 disc, you know, and you'd be like, oh, I don't want to do that. Ain't nothing out there but damn junk targets. I don't want to hear them. Well, that's true. There are some. All right. But you can't walk into a site with any metal detector running high disc or high notch and walk out there saying, well, I've got it all out, boys. I've got all the high conductors out of there. You can't do it. Rotating on this doesn't help us. See that? Look at that. It doesn't help us. Due to the alignment of that nickel, you know, and this coil, and that dime, silver dime. So you hear that. See what it's doing? See that stretched out ash trace? Okay, that could be a red flag for you in a site that has potential to hold high conductors, coins, okay? Rings, silver rings. Okay, now I'm going to mash the horseshoe button. Now remember, I'm in one region, all tones. So that's what you get to hear on that. And you get it, now the ID comes in. Notice that. And you still get to see the stretched trace. So now we're getting out of here. We're going to two tones. We'll sweep again. So you hear that signal and you see that stretched trace. Now I'm going to hit the horseshoe button again. You hear that. So that's telling you, the user, uh-oh, mixed conductivity. Oh, there's also a high chance whatever's down there reads higher than what's in the meter with a horseshoe button in, okay? Remember, this machine didn't give ID on this. See that? See that trace? Starting to rain on me out here. Okay, we're going to quickly scroll over here to surf and seawater. It's set up the same exact way. Speed 4, same disc. Watch what happens here. Look where that thing's painting. Nothing. Mash the horseshoe button. You get to see that. Horseshoe button gone. There's nothing there, boys. 0. All-terrain high conductor, speed 4. You hear that? You see the stretch trace. We mashed the horseshoe button. looks like to me, even with the horseshoe button in compared to surface seawater, we get somewhat higher ID of the all-terrain high conductor. That's going to conclude the video. I hope you enjoyed.